Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Vande Gurupada Dandam Bhakta Vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Vande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandananga Vande Shri Radhika Charanodayam Shri Gopijana Samadhuktam Shri Vrindavano Manoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hari Hari. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to His Divine Grace Satchidananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories to my spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur. All glories to my grand spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. All glories to assembled devotees. So let me check any questions appear or not. Seems like there are no questions. Thank you. So, today we have to go through our session, Harinam Chintamani. Harinam Chintamani. Eichari Parichaya Madhya Namotaro Sakalero Adise Pratiti Savakaro. Of these four distinguishing features, Krishna's name comes first, as is evidence to everyone. What is the char? Four distinguishing means what? Means Krishna's name, Krishna's form, Krishna's quality, and Krishna's pastimes. Four. That is Krishna. That we talked yesterday. Always Krishna Nam will reveal all those qualities eventually in our consciousness. In our consciousness, in our mind, in our heart, it will reveal to us. But nowadays we can see, although we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, but our mind goes different direction. That is the challenge for all of us, to fixing our mind towards these four. Nam, Roop, Gun, Lila. Means Krishna's name, Krishna's quality, Krishna's pastimes, Krishna's beautiful form. We have to fixing. Most important part to remember. I think I explained yesterday, most important part to remember, Smaran. Why? Because at the end of life, means when the time of our physical departure, where is our mind, where our mind fixed, our next life goes to that direction. Don't think that you are human, you can be always human. According to our karma, our life will change different forms. Maybe animals, maybe reptiles. If you are really hypocrite, every time cheating people, then next life you will be in snake form. Snake unable to walk straight way, always zigzag. The hypocrite people, they are not able to walk properly. They are not able to behave properly, always zigzag. Once he agree, another time he is not agree. That is the nature of hypocrite.
+91 973239520.
So that is the nature of the snake, always zigzag. Hypocrite people also, the nature, always zigzag. Therefore, according to karma, when you keep good karma, the best karma, best method, best process, best steps of our life to take shelter of holy name. The best. Because holy name is not different from Krishna. Holy name is not different from Krishna. You can see everything. The holy name will take us to Golok Vrindavan, eternal abode of Supreme Lord, where Supreme Lord is manifesting eternal pastimes, which is most important part to establish our mind or fixing our mind over there. Then we can go back after our physical departure, we have to go there. Therefore, our previous teacher always insisting us to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it will help us. Whatever that in the previous life, so many life, we have a bad association. Mind is like a subtle body. When leaving our body, means our physical departure time, mind is a subtle body always coming through us with our Atma, soul. Then whatever our nature, our culture in our previous life, it's still with us. You can see, naturally, if suppose we are animal nature what? Ahar nidra bhayo maithunancham. Ahar means eating, searching where to eat. I can see, this, every morning I am feeding monkey here. Every morning I am feeding monkey from the window, almost 50-60 monkey every morning. I am always attending Mangalarati. When coming back from Mangalarati, I go there for Mangalarati at 4:30 a.m. and coming back around 7. Why? Because there is so much prayer. We are chanting Radha Kripa Kataksha, Krishna Kripa Kataksha, Also reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter, 12th chapter, then Srimad Bhagavatam Chatushloki, etc. So many rituals. Prabhupada Stavakam, Guru Vastakam, and Guru Parampara. So many our everyday program, early morning program. So 4:30 to 7 packed program. And then after that, I am feeding, and coming here, all the monkey, according to the power, physical power, they are just like a pushing, dashing here. But with big monkey, he doesn't allow any eat to any small monkey. Why? Because he has physical power until his belly not fill. So he doesn't allow anyone to eat. Sometime, if other group of monkey coming here, I saw how they are chasing that monkey. Maybe 30, 40 monkey chasing one or two monkey who is coming from another place. There is some territory. So all there, everybody searching where to get food, ahar. Then where to sleep at night. Whenever you're tired, sleep. That place you have to always make sure. A bed is there, food is there. Fear, upcoming death. Fear for upcoming death. So always you're trying to protect. If someone coming here, if snake coming towards us, what we'll do? We should not just jump to the snake face. We should protect ourselves from the snake face. Why? Because we know snake, if they bite, it's very difficult to survive. Therefore, we are always trying to protect ourselves from our upcoming death with our best ability. I remember, once I was in the, little boy, like I am reading in class 5. Inside our village house, there is a mango tree. And mango tree is on the tree, a big tree. On the tree, there is a snake was there. And bottom of the mango tree, there was a frog. So, snake jumping from the top of the tree to bottom, almost 20 feet high. Jumping there, just to catch the frog. The frog, to take shelter, in order to protect him, he is just rushing towards us, where we are sitting on our veranda, rushing towards us. Naturally, frog always away from us. But behind I saw snake chasing. Then snake saw we are 3-4 people are there. The snake stopped over there, not trying to catch frog. That I saw when I was really small boy. So I remember how each living entity is trying to protect them from their upcoming death. Frog is protecting them himself from the mouth of snake. Even the gecko, it's a lizard inside home. You can see when there bugs are there, that they are rushing towards the bugs, and bugs also, just moving fast, just to protect himself from this gecko or whatever you say, lizard. We are Bengali, we say tik-tiki, but American English gecko, I don't know what I saw in Indian people, they are speaking about lizard. So anyway, ahar, nidra, bhaya are maithuns, fulfilling the sensual desire. This animal have. That also we have. But we have special quality because we have the best intelligence. If we are not practicing spirituality according to the prescribed by Lord in every age, then where is our intelligence? What is the application of our intelligence? If animal what they are doing, all the living entities they are doing, we are as a human also we are doing same. There is no meaning, there is no difference between animal and human. Therefore, intellectual person, they are always thinking about spirituality. In human life, they want to fixing their mind towards a spiritual abode through chanting. How? During chanting, think about Lord's form, beautiful form, Radha Krishna. Lord's quality, loving affection for his devotees. That is the quality of Lord. Keeping always loving affection towards his devotees. Then manifesting so many pastimes. Krishna is Lila Purushottam, incarnation of pastimes. And then think about name. Name will bring everything, cure everything, make it everything impossible become possible. So therefore, take shelter of holy name, Krishna, and eventually try to fix, but of course, chanting attentively. When you are able to fix your mind towards Lord's abode, Lord's name, Lord's pastimes, then you become delivered. Ateva nama mantra Vaishnavera dharma nama prasphutito hayo rupa guna karma. Means, therefore, serving Krishna's name alone is the Vaishnava's duty. For through the holy name, one can realize Krishna's form, quality and deeds, pastimes. That I already explained you. That, therefore, Vaishnavas, they are not running behind to learn many sloka, many sastra. They know the essence. Essence of spiritual practice is just to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Just to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra attentively. That's all. That's it. Apart from that, they are not thinking. Naam is there, Bhagavan with us. Naam with us, Bhagavan with us. Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra means Supreme Lord or divine couple, Sri Radha Krishna with us. The question is this, where we meet with Radha Krishna? Just think about this. Anyhow, fixing your mind towards this Krishna's name, Krishna's form, and Krishna's quality, Krishna's pastimes. So then we can deliver ourselves from this miserable mundane world. Because at the end of life, during the time of physical departure, where we are keeping our mind, our destiny will be that place for the next life, accordingly. Again I am telling you that do best karma. Don't think that, okay, I will chant name. holy name and I will do all the nasty activities like stealing, cheating, robbing. It's not like that. Don't think that Nam will cure our all the bad karma's reaction, so I can every day do the bad karma, earn a lot of money, and then I will cure through the chanting Hare Krishna. This is our Nam Bale Paap Buddhi. Through chanting, we want to cure the name and constantly committing. Now, through chanting, we will cure the sinful reaction and constantly also committing a lot of sin. It's not like a perfect. It's like a offensive. This is a Namaparad. The one aparad name is Namaparad name. It's 10 Namaparad, offense of holy name. One is them. It's called Nam Bale Paap Buddhi. Sinful activities and curing the sin reaction of the sin, we are chanting. That is hellish mentality. So please try to understand that holy name will take us to above the all material and the material planetary system. We know the 7 planetary system up, 7 is down. It is all are material. Even Brahma, where Brahma living, this is Satyalok, abode name is Satya, truth. It is also material. It is also material. But how much we are going up, that much our material attachment will less. And Satyalok, it is very tiny now. Tiny. But the calculation of the day is different. Your day means 24 hours. One day, Brahma means so much. Golden age, silver age, copper age, iron age means Satya, Treta, Dapar, Kali. 4 age. Together we call one Dibba Juk, one transcendental age, or one Chaturjuk. 71 Chaturjuk means one Manmantar. 14 Manmantar means Brahma's one day. The calculation, look. Our one day, and Brahma's one day. Each hell and heaven difference. So, but still, Brahma is in material world. That person in material world where you can measure. Material means under the tap of Maya. Maya always measuring us. Measurement. Brahma's duration of life 100 years. But his days, one day means that much. I already explained you. But in that way, 1 year, then 100 years. It's long. You know, the Vidyapati says, at the end of his life, Vidyapati says, Kato Chaturanan. He prayed to Lord, Supreme Lord. Kato Chaturanan mori mori jayato natua adi avasana. Kato Chaturanan means Brahma. So many Brahma, they are passing. Mori mori jayato, they are also passing their body. Hey Lord, Madhava, ham parinam nirasha. Hey Madhav, hey Krishna, I have no any other hope except you. What hope? Deliver myself from this miserable mundane world. Please deliver me. This is Vidyapati's prayer. So whatever happened in previously. So don't think, whatever good things, always think about it. Or bad thing, forget about it. Think about present and think about future. This is the most important part to deliver ourselves from this miserable, mundane world, where only distress, anxiety, ignorance. But we are not coming here in the trap of Maya. We are coming here to deliver ourselves from the trap of Maya. That is the only weapon to become free from Maya is Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting in this iron age. Sometimes we are thinking of money will deliver us. So many people have money. So many people have money, lots of money. I think I explained once. I have several people they have lots of income. One person has 700,000 million dollar. $700,000 million. Million, not billion. Anyway, so that person still that person, not 10, 700. 700 means 1,000 million. No. My calculation is wrong. 1 million means 7 koti taka. 7 crore. 1,000 million, 70 crore. 70,000. 1,000 million. 7,000. Oh, so much. Anyway, maybe $1 billion. Okay, $1 billion. That person also, I went to their home. I saw their problem also. There's so much problem. So this is the place where everything in trouble. Nothing is okay. Therefore, we should not think to be here, life after life after life. We should not be here. Our target to get out from here. Get out from here. How to get out? Lord gave us the vehicle. What the vehicle name? Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna Mahamantra vehicle. Just to jump over there. But there is also we can say checker. Checker means who is investigating. I have ticket or not. If you are not chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you are not able to jump to that vehicle. Checker is there. So, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, who is chanting, that is the ticket. That is ticket. And checker is Nityananda, Guru. Checker is Guru, Nityananda. He will just, if he allow us, then I can go. If he is not allowing us, therefore our Narottam Thakur says, Ar kobe nitai chade koruna hoibe sangsaro basona moro kobe tuchho hobe. Ar kobe nitai chade koruna hoibe. What is the mercy? Koruna means mercy. When I will get the mercy of Nityananda. What is the meaning? Meaning is this: pure chanting, which will allow us to jump to the vehicle, which vehicle going to Golok Vrindavan. Nityananda will allow us. How? When Nityananda look, yes, I am chanting attentively. I am completely free from all material attachment. Okay. he will allow us to jump to the vehicle. This is called Ar kabe nitai chandere koruna hoibe sangsara vasana mor kabe tuchcha hobe. When my desire, when my material desire will be, when I will be free from all material desire. Through chanting will allow us to be free from all material desire. So take shelter of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, because this is Harinam Chintamani, Haridas Thakur explaining us all those topics. And Haridas Thakur is Namacharya. We have to accept it seriously. Whatever he says, always you have to accept seriously. Nama pasputito hayo rupa guna karma. Therefore, serving Krishna's name alone is the Vaishnava's duty. Therefore, all Vaishnavas, they are chanting with love. That is the Vaishnava duty. For through the holy name, one can realize Krishna's form, quality and deeds, his pastimes. Everything will appear. And Nam will deliver us. That we have to believe. Krishna ra samagra lila namo vidvamano namo se parama tattva tomaro vidhano. Krishna ra samagra lila means entire pastimes of Krishna. Namo vidvamano, present in his name. You know, when Lord Chaitanya, his Supreme Lord Krishna himself, in the mood of Srimati Radharani, and when he, just for our teachings, when he took initiation from Ishwarapuri, after initiation, he says, Kiba mantra dila Gosai, Kiba tarabal, O Gosai, O Gurudev, what mantra you gave me? What potency in this name? I don't know. Jopite amai, korilo pagal. Just like make me crazy to chant and chant and chant. Make me crazy. You may think it is not like a Mahamantra. Then next line, he says, Krishna Nama Mahamantre Eito Sabha. Mahamantra's nature like that. All pastimes there. All quality of Krishna's there. All in a beautiful form, different form. Is there also. So therefore, try to think about how really our mind fixing there or not. Krishna in Vrindavan, Krishna in Dwaraka, Krishna in Mathura, but our goal to fix our mind in Vrindavan, with Vrindavan Krishna. Why? Because Vrindavan Krishna is our worshipful God. We are worshipping, we are chanting, during chanting. This is a Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It is only for this Vrindavan Krishna. If we think this Radha, Hare means Radhe, that means it is Vrindavan. Radharani always in Vrindavan. Not in Dwaraka, not in Mathura. Krishna went to Mathura, Krishna went to Dwaraka, but Radharani not went there. Radharani never lived Vrindavan, always in Vrindavan. So therefore, our worshipful Lord is Vrindavan Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna, Jashodanandan Krishna. Not in Dwaraka Krishna, not in Mathura Krishna. Although you may ask, both are same. Say Krishna, no. although it is same, but Vrindavan Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna is the source of all incarnation. When Krishna in Dwaraka, Krishna in Mathura, that Krishna's opulence form, Vishnu. Krishna's opulence form is Vishnu, Narayan, shelter of all human, Narayan, Nara means human, Ayan means shelter. So shelter of human, shelter of all living beings. This is Narayan. Their opulence from Vaibhav Prakash. And Krishna, our Krishna, and Vrindavan is Madhurjo, means sweet form. Always sweet. So different form. And in Vrindavan, how Krishna manifests pastimes with gopis. How all the gopis, they are arranging Krishna's pastime. Like, if you can see on the 7th jam, how Brinda Sakhi arranged Radharani's outfit and grove. 7th jam, this play, at the time, around 9 to 12. Yeah. Around 9 to 12. And 12 to around 3, that is 8 jump period. That first time it is better not to remember and not to think about it, because those pastime, if you are not completely free from material attachment or free from sense enjoyment object, it is better for us not to read that pastimes what 8 jam explain. Means around midnight to until 2.5 hours. Means 2.5 hours or 3 hours. Better not to think about it. But 7th jam we can think. Radharani, how she came from Javat to the Sanket Kunj, where Vrinda Sakhi arranged. Vrindavan Sakhi, he arranged what? He arranged this Radharani's outfit according to the fortnight. If it is waxing fortnight, a white color dress. A waning fortnight, it is a black color dress. Deep color. And also, this is a sanket. Sanket means indication. As soon as Radharani prepared, then there is indication giving, oh, we are prepared. Then Krishna should come. From Nandogam is coming. He is jumping from Krishna. Krishna's room is separate. So Mother Jashoda let him sleep separately. But as soon as that indication, light indication coming or any indication coming, then Krishna also escaping the Nandamaya palace and going to the Sanket Kunj. You can see Barshana and Nandamaya, in between there is a place named Sanket Kunj. That place we have to go there. If you're not going there, you can go there. You can feel that. There is still the, of course, that kunj, that grove is not exist. But after discovered by 6 Goswamis, after discovery of Vrindavan by 6 Goswamis, especially actually Loknath Goswami, as well as the 6 Goswamis, then we are just making accordingly the place. I remembering that. So that's yeah. The first jam means the early morning, first times of Radha Krishna. They are sleeping. When you are chanting early morning, you can think about that. You are thinking Radha Krishna sleeping in the Sanket Kunj, Sanket Grove. But sun, Arunodaya, sun rising, sun almost rising in the sky, means after maybe 2 hours it will appear, sunlight will appear. So everybody will get up, then everybody will get up, then people will criticize our divine couple. Therefore, Brinda Sakhi was worried. And Brinda sent the parrot, Sukshari. Dekhiya Arunodaya Brinda Devi Bhasta hoy, Kunje nana rab karailo. This is written by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Dekhiya Arunodaya, as soon as Arunodaya appear, it's coming. Brinda Devi Bhasta, Brinda Devi become busy. Then, in order to get divine couple, get up divine couple or wake up the divine couple, he sent Shuko Shari Paddo Shuni Uche Radha Nilo Moni. Shuk Shari means there is 2 parrot which is available only in divine abode, Goloka Vrindavan. The Suk always in favor of Krishna, Sari always in favor of Radha. That is the nature of 2 parrot. They are always debating. Someone glorifying Krishna, Suk glorifying Krishna, and Sari cutting Krishna's glories and establishing Radha's glories. That song, that Leela, you can think about it. When you're chanting at the early morning, that pastime is, anyhow you have to fix our mind. Fix our mind, everything is there. Krishna's pastimes. Just to think about. Mother Yashoda churning butter. Govinda Madi, Govinda. Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti, Govinda Damo. Mother Yashoda unable to realize that Damodar in her home. Damodaro. Damo means roof. Udara means belly. So who bind Krishna's belly with one piece of wood? This is called, Damodar means like that. Dama means rope. Udara means belly. So Krishna's belly was bind with one piece of wood, udughal. And who bind it? Mother Yashoda. So once Krishna was just like managed to walk. But Mother Yashoda early morning get up from the bed and was just barely managed to walk. Balagopal Krishna. So Mother Yashoda chanting this. Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti, Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti. In this, charming the butter and extract, charming the jagut and extract the butter for Krishna. So she is calling Krishna with such expression. Govinda, who is Govinda? Krishna is Govinda. Who is Damodar? Krishna is Damodar. So Govinda, Damodar, she is calling, she is actually very, she is significant character. Significant character in divine abode. So she is calling, so Krishna, small, manifesting small baby, barely managed to walk. So get up, because devotee called, Jashoda is devotee called. So first, small baby, they always searching mother near to him or not. Early morning, they are trying to find out where is my mother. He also doing the same thing. Even, this, I don't know Western world, but, Indian culture, baby always sleeping with mother and father. So anyway, mother is churning the water, and Krishna get up, because he is calling. Then he shouts, Hari mother not here. Then, black eyeliner, kajal we can say. So that Krishna decorated by Jashoda like this every day. So Krishna's mother not there, he is trying to cry. He is not trying, he is crying. And there's all the face like a blackies. And then he went where this mother Jashoda churning the yogurt and extracting butter. So Krishna is there. He is not able to speak properly. Just walk. So he just grabbed Mother Jashoda's sari and pulling. Sometimes baby language mother understand. So baby language that Krishna trying to say is, Mother, I am hungry. Please give me something. In that way. He is not speaking anything. But his body language, Krishna's body language, Jashoda understood. And then Mother Jashoda took Krishna, feeding breast milk. Then immediately Mother Jashoda remembered, in the oven, means not oven, actually, oven you can say. Oven, I put milk, Kamdhenu milk. That Dhenu milk is fragrance like a lotus flower for Krishna. So if you are not looking after properly that milk, then milk will overboil. Overboiled milk means what? Then problem. Then Krishna's service. Mother Jashoda thinking, I have to protect the milk for Krishna's service. So here Krishna on her lap. He just take Krishna out of her lap and went to protect that milk. Then Krishna become angry. It's past times. Krishna become angry. Krishna says, your milk is more valuable than me. I am relishing your breast milk, and you are going to protect that milk. No. Then when mother went there, then he saw one sticks nearby, and how many yogurt with clay pot, and how much butter he was keeping. So Krishna breaking all the yogurt pot, and yogurt all over the floor. Then Krishna realized, I did wrong things. So Krishna trying to hide himself from mother eyes. So mother not reaching, but mother, before reaching mother, before mother coming to that place where Udukal is there. So Krishna left that place. But mother coming and protecting the milk and coming and that place, and he saw and became surprised. Who is there? All the jogut pot broke. All the jogut on the floor. Maybe some demonic person came and steal my shan. Then he realized, she was thinking, how is it possible? I just go there and come back. In between period, demon comes and they will steal my shan. It's not possible. Let's see what is this. Then Mother Yashoda saw there is a footprint, Krishna's footprint. Because jogut, his feet was full of jogut. When you walk, that footprint is there. Then our Acharya, previous Acharya says, if you really want to reach Krishna, you have to follow his footprint. Mother Yashoda, in order to reach Krishna, she followed the footprint of Krishna. Then finally, she reached Krishna. But it was difficult to catch Krishna. Because Krishna is beyond of everything. It's not easy to catch him until we are not keeping the best endeavor to catch him. So that is the process. Chanting instead of thinking, we can, in Bengal we say habi jabi, means just different material stuff. Instead of thinking those material, an incident, a material stuff, better to think about that pastime. Which pastime you like? Then after that, there is a nice pastime. This Yashoda is running behind Krishna. Krishna is running. Then Krishna came to his farmhouse, big Randamari farmhouse. There are so many trees. Through the wind, trees' leaves are moving like this way. Our Jiva Goswami Pad says, Yashoda, it is not possible to catch Krishna. It is not possible. Leaves are moving such a way, in the vision of previous teacher, they are writing all the trees telling to Yashoda, it is not possible to catch Krishna. But Yashoda determined, no, I have to catch Krishna. This is my goal. So Yashoda also running behind the Krishna. When Krishna saw that my devotee is best, he is keeping their best endeavor to catch me, then Krishna allowed us to catch. Similarly, Yashoda, when she was really sweating, she don't care about where she is. She is a queen. She is supposed not to go out of palace, but when Krishna out of palace, she also running behind Krishna just to catch. So in that way, so Yashoda, Yashoda becomes sweat, so much sweat. Krishna look, then Krishna allow her to catch him. Then Yashoda wants to bind him. So many rope she is bringing. Always 2 finger shortage. Why 2 finger? Why shortage 2 finger? One is devotee's desire, and another one is Lord's blessings. We can say devotee's endeavor or Lord's blessings. When they're together. This is our Acharya's finger, Madhvacharya, 2 finger. devotee's desire or devotee's endeavor and Lord blessings. When we come together, when Jashoda trying to catch all a two finger, trying to bind Krishna, two finger shortage. So many rope, Jashoda bringing from different places, always two finger shortage. Then when Krishna look, really he want, so okay, Krishna allow his mother to bind him. Then he put him in the kamar, and it's actually farmhouse. So many, there's so many, Satyavata Muni, he just composed this Damodarashtakam, just to read and think the meaning of that Damodarashtakam. Then it is the meaning coming there. Kadachiti kalindi tata vipinna sangita tarala moda bhiri nari badana kamala sado modhupo rama shambhu brahma. No? I don't know, this is not. Anyway. This is Jagannath Shtakam. No, this is Jagannath Shtakam. Damodarashtakam? Damodarashtakam, what is first line? Forget. Anyway, Damodarashtakam, if you just think about it. Every day, every Kartik time I am doing, but today I forget first line. So meaning is like that. What I explain, that's the meaning. Like that. Try to think about it and during chanting instead of thinking different material incident. Anything which is connected with Krishna, think about during chanting. In this way, we can fix our mind towards Krishna. That is only one way. We cannot just escape it. We cannot make fool to Lord. It is impossible to make fool to Lord. Better during chanting, if it is not possible for you to think about Radha Krishna, Krishna's pastime, at least think about Chaitanya. If not possible, think about your Gurudev. Because Guru will show you the Krishna. This is the way. Guru is pure devotee. So think about your Guru and think about how he is chanting, how he is describing Krishna's pastime, how he is describing Mahaprabhu's pastime. Just think about it. Anyhow, instead of instead of thinking about material stuff, fixing your mind towards Krishna, Mahaprabhu, Guru, or Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. Sometimes think about our all parampara. So like Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, etc. To whom you like, how they describe Krishna's pastime, how they are behaving, how they are maintaining the Vaishnava quality, the humility in each incident, how they are acting, how they are maintaining the humility, tolerance. No? But nowadays, problem is we don't want to think, oh, my Guru is humble, my Guru is very passionate form, he's speaking very passionate way. It's not like that. Gurus, real Guru, they are their Vaishnava nature, always humble, tolerance, free from all type of name, fame, free from all type of material name, fame, distinction, recognition, desire, and respecting everyone and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That is the Guru's quality. I hope you understand and what Haridas Thakur trying to say. I am just explaining according to my understanding. So I will come tomorrow, but tomorrow looks like Baman Dadashi. First I will speak about the Baman Dadashi's little bit katha, then I will come again to the Harinam Chintamani. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.